Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're not. And in today's video, I'm just sharing how to pre-poo your hair with coconut oil when you're short on time. So while I'm applying my coconut oil pre-poo, I'll share with you some tips. But before I get into the tips, let me just say, I know that some people are hesitant about using coconut oil because of bad experiences with leaving it in their hair in the past. But trust me when I tell you that unless you are allergic to coconut oil, you'll want to have coconut oil in your hair product arsenal. Now, the key to using coconut oil in your hair is not to leave it in. Coconut oil is rich, but it should be used as a pre-poo. When you use it as a pre-poo, you are protecting your hair from what's called hygral fatigue. Without getting too technical, it's simply damage that can occur to the hair during the wash cycle caused by the opening and closing of the cuticle layer. Coconut oil helps to protect protein integrity within the hair shaft. For those of us with fine hair, this is needed protection. You're going to wash the coconut oil out of your hair when you cleanse your hair anyway, so you don't have to worry about it making your hair hard like if you used it as a sealant, which, by the way, it's not really great at, which is why your hair probably felt hard after using it in that manner. So now for the tips. Number 1, the best coconut oil to use is virgin unrefined coconut oil. It doesn't have to be organic, but you get a bonus if it is. Use coconut oil in a warm, melted state. That's tip number 2. It may be easier to apply when solid, but it helps to penetrate your hair strands better when it's warm and melted. Tip number 3, do not wet your hair prior to applying the coconut oil. That's why you don't see me spritzing my hair with any kind of liquid. In order for the coconut oil to be used as an effective pre-poo, it needs to hit your hair before water. Number 4, your entire hair strand does not need to be saturated with oil. I will dip the ends of my hair in the oil and then just work it up my hair shaft. It's very, very simple and very easy that way. You can apply it all to an applicator bottle, and it's probably easier to do it that way because, you could get a little drippage by putting the coconut oil in your hair by applying it the way I am doing it. But right now I don't have a spare applicator bottle, so I'm just using my fingers and it is fine. And not to mention, putting your fingernails in the coconut oil is actually good for your nails. I've got another tip for you, but let me share this because I forgot to mention it earlier in the video. If you notice when I was putting it in the back of my head in my roots, that is the most coarse section of my hair. And I find that if I use coconut oil in a little bit more abundance in that area, when I go to wash my hair, it actually helps that section of my hair to be a bit softer. So that's something to take note of. The last tip is to put a plastic cap on for at least 30 minutes to allow the coconut oil time to penetrate your hair shaft before washing. That's it. Trust the process. Coconut oil as a pre-poo is very good for fine hair. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.